Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be part and parcel of this discussion because we want to strike and crush SGVB so that we can have a conducive society for both genders. The call for more research, but also I want to emphasize on the research on how we can make sure that this research is totally consumed. Because yes, we look at a lot of fields, even in a lot of crimes, not only SGVB, there have been a lot of research, but the consumption. Because yes, this research will be done, but are we sure that the society will consume it? So I want to call upon the researchers that they can see a way that these researches that are being done can be consumed even to the ground, to mashinani, pale shosho.
Yes.
So when I'm adding on some of the research that should be done, I want also to look at it in this perspective. When I look in societal value, in societal perspective, I want to look on the values. One thing that is value, when this child grows, what kind of value this child grows with? Does he value a woman? Does this young lady value a man? So that we can, if they inherited this thing grows in them, even when they are big, they will not be involved in such SGVB crimes.
Thank you, Bwana Mimo.
Yes.
Dr.
When I look at that case, particularly for this case of today that was reported, it's upon people to be sensitized to know that there's something called consent. And also they must know that even if they have wives, even if they have girlfriends, those are not their properties. Those are still people who have their own wills. Like the way God has given us a chance to decide whether to follow what is right or wrong. So it means that even when you are in marriage, you must know that your wife has also a will, your husband has a will, and he can decide to do what is right. I want to tie my point with Wakili's point, where we were talking about criminalizing this act. But when we criminalize this act, we need goodwill. And this goodwill comes from both the government and the people themselves. So it means that the goodwill comes here in that the people, the people in the society must have the goodwill to make sure they don't commit this crime. They must make sure that they learn about this law. Of, for example, the consent. Somebody will say, I never knew, and this was mine. No, they must have that goodwill to learn those laws of SGVB.
How do you think it's going to address the sexual and gender-based violence?
Let me just add one point. When we look at access to healthcare, before I look at equal opportunities, some of the places have very few hospitals or lack hospitals. So it means that even if somebody is raped, for him to get to that hospital, to get that maybe P3 or beaten for assault, for him to get this P3 is even a difficult thing. So it is my recommendation to the government that it ensure that the infrastructure of the hospital reach all the places. So this one will help most of the victims to reach these hospitals. When I look at equal opportunities, I look at equal opportunities in fighting for the rights of these victims. For example, many times the boy child have been neglected in this fight. And boy child are dying. They are dying in silence. For example, they are being sodomized. But who is talking about it? People are talking about the rape of women. People are talking of the defilement of young girls. But why are they not talking about the young boys being sodomized? So we need to look at how do we fight. Let us fight this fight unifyingly. When we know that when we talk about gender, we are not only talking about girl child, but we're talking about both genders. And we know, the people must know that when we talk about SGVB, not only ladies, only all women are being affected, even men are being affected. I want also to look at maybe, for example, like the support that maybe ladies have been given. Not that I'm advocating for men, but what is the support that even this boy child or the men are being given? For example, rescue centers. How many rescue centers do we have for men who are being violated? That we have a lot of female who are being beaten. Rescue centers, they're there.
Many thanks.